What's up, guys? Welcome to What's on the Bench. It's back, baby. And to celebrate, we are doing 10% off all our build courses. That's including the 3-month course. Let's get to it. This is Chris. And tell me about what's on your bench, dude.
All right, so I did a 5-day class. This is a Les Paul Junior, all mahogany, ebony fretboard, twin humbucker. It's, you know, bone standard, but really happy with how it turned out.
Yeah, it looks great, man. Did you stain the mahogany a little bit?
Yeah, that's got 2 coats of an amber stain on it, just enough to give it some warmth.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So what was your favourite bit? What did you enjoy the most out of building this? Or is putting it together the best bit?
Honestly, for me, the best bit was... It's just a nut. Yeah. It was all the shaping and carving to get the neck profile. Really satisfied with how that turned out.
Yeah, it looks great. Yeah, and shaping in here as well, blending it into the body.
Yeah, I got to give Dom credit for doing that bit.
Oh yeah. I'm detecting an accent of some kind.
Yes.
How far have you travelled for this?
Not as far as you would think.
No.
While I am American, I live in France. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so from Clermont-Ferrand, which is.
Yeah. In France.
Yeah. Call it 6 hours by train to London, and then 2 hours by car to here.
Nice. Well, thanks for chatting to me, man.
Yeah.
Hoping to get it strung up today.
Yes.
That's the last day, isn't it? So
yes,
you got a few hours.
Should be soon. Just waiting on a little bit of instruction on how to get the bridge set just right, and then I think it's on the strings. We'll locate those once we have strings on.
Yeah, because you want to line the pole
get them
pieces up.
perfect.
Yeah, very nice.
I think we're almost there.
Yeah, you got a few hours left to get it done.
Yep.
Awesome stuff. Cool. Right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Cheers. What's up, guys? This is Jordan. And talk me through your build on your bench, dude.
So I have got this PRS-style guitar. I've gone for a maple top, mahogany base, maple neck, and then I've got a zero coat.
I was going to say, is that zero coating fret?
It is, and I've gone for the abalone inlays, and I've got HSH.
HSH, yeah.
Pickup style, which I'm currently not in.
Are they the House of Tone ones?
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
What I've been given, and I've gone for this purple. And I thought it's hard to buy a purple guitar. So
Yeah, lots of people really like purple guitars.
I've seen on the wall there's a lot of purple guitars, a lot of mulberries, but I was just like, go straight purple.
What kind of bridge are you having on this? It looks like you haven't angled. Right, okay.
Go.
Yeah,
Right there.
yeah.
And then 5-way selector because
HSH kind of.
yeah. And then got 1 volume, 1 tone. And then that's my guitar basically. This is well, not playable at the moment, but hopefully.
Well, it's almost there, isn't it?
Yeah, almost there. Got to get
Almost
the
there.
wiring done.
Yeah. What's your favourite part?
Oh, it was the hardest part, which was the carve at the top.
Carving the top.
Yeah, it took me hours to get that used to, and it knackered me. But I'm really happy with how it kind of turned out. In the end.
So is that angle grinder and
angle grinding? A lot of angle grinding.
Yep.
Making just and then the hours of sounding after, which weren't my favourite bit, but the actual using the angle grinder, that was probably my favourite.
It's great fun.
It's
a bit scary the first time. You're like,
that's what took me so long, because I was basically for the first hour. I said, probably about an hour, maybe a little bit longer. I just got nothing done.
Yeah,
I was just so scared of
taking too much off. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, problem with wood is once you've taken it off, you can't put it back on.
You can't go back. But it worked out well. I didn't actually mess up. I didn't make it. I'm not going to say that just in case I did make a mistake. But it went pretty smoothly.
Well, Tommy wants me to ask everyone what their mistakes are, but I don't want to do that. Feels like
no, I did
embarrassing.
No, I don't mind. I made one mistake. The key mistake I made, which was my headstock. I slipped And I
Slipped.
took a little bit too much off the headstock, which is why we then
thickness.
we then put a
veneer on the
a
front.
veneer on the front.
Yeah.
So it worked out because I then stained that.
First build?
Yeah.
Never done any woodworking before?
No, completely new.
There you go.
Yeah, just everything was learnt basically on the course, and I'm happy with everything, how it's turned out. It's not finished, but I'm sure it'll be amazing once it is.
Almost there. I mean, it looks like you've done most of your wiring.
Yeah,
Obviously not the switch.
I just need to get a bit of help on that. I actually know how that's meant to be.
Yes.
Why it's everything.
Yeah. Blade switches are always great fun.
I thought when I chose my thing, I was like, oh, this would be simple. Because obviously I'm with Chris there, and he's got his rocket ship.
Yeah.
I was like, I'll go for the simple one, not even the crazy one. Yeah. Mine's been more work. It's all been, but it's worth it.
Yeah.
It's worth
almost there.
Literally almost there. And then get strength and then play. Be good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, awesome stuff, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for having a chat with me about it.
No problem.
Cool.
Been my pleasure.
I'll
get back to work.
Yeah.
Oh,
Awesome.
that's all.
This is Chris. Another Chris.
Hiya.
And talk us through your crazy build, dude.
So this is my first electric guitar. So I don't actually play electric guitar. Play a bit of acoustic, and I've decided it was my 25th anniversary of my company, and this is my company logo, which I've recreated
As a guitar.
as a guitar. Yep.
That's
Pretty cool.
I'm not sure we've ever seen a shape quite like this one.
No, I absolutely love the finish, which is come out pretty well. I wanted it to be dirty orange. It's come out quite flamey, which is nice. So, and a little bit at the top for the company. Yes, but I am very, very chuffed.
Yeah. So full walnut neck and walnut fretboard.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mahogany base,
And flame maple cap.
maple cap. Yeah, and I think this was a last minute addition, which has worked quite nicely.
Just a little wraparound bridge, yeah.
And yeah, I don't really know much of the tech terms. I'm hoping to play it later on and enjoy it. This is my entry into electric guitar. So watch this space.
Yeah, cool, yeah. Yeah, I mean the jack's up here. That's a bit different. So you've got the strap buttons here,
Yeah,
switch up here, and your volume and a jack.
yeah, I believe so.
Yeah.
Which is kind of on the fly build.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
started with the shape and
And went from there.
went from there. Yeah. These are quite cool. I like these, which we got inspiration from over there. Little chrome and black numbers.
Yeah.
Which kind of ties in with the graphics and.
Yeah, we seem to steer a lot of people towards the
Oh dear.
the metal tubes. So what was your favourite bit? What did you enjoy the most?
The staining.
Yeah.
It's like just I mean, to be fair, the way the spraying, the way this came out and the spray was pretty insane.
Yeah.
Where it just totally popped.
Yeah.
Which is like really cool.
Yeah.
So, but I think the whole process has been excellent.
Yeah.
Really, really good fun.
Awesome.
Whether I'll use those skills, I probably won't. But it was an excellent 2 weeks. So yeah, really, really enjoyed it.
It's great. Yeah. Yes, a very, very different build.
Yeah, it'll be. I'm looking forward to playing it. So but yeah, it's cool. So yeah, thanks guys. Yeah, it's been a pleasure.
Make whatever you want.
Yes, you can.
Cheers. Oh, Sam. Isaac. Our 3-month student. You'll have met him before on our Instagram. Talk us through what you've been working on, dude.
Alright, so I've been working on this neck for my hollow body guitar, making for my dad. It's going to be a double cut, Les Paul style carved top, but hollow body, so not really Les Paul at all.
Hollow body carved top.
Yeah.
Double pane there.
Double pane suffering.
Sweet. Cool, yeah.
PRS style headstock. And
Nice.
that's it for that one.
You haven't done much on the body. I can see the top
not
joined
really.
up.
Yeah, I've got the top there. So Ben rough cut joined up.
Very nice. Nice and flamey. Ooh. Cool.
It's going to be lovely.
Interesting shape. Double cut.
First time as well.
Awesome. And I sprayed this for you
Yes, you
day,
did.
didn't I?
Thank you very much.
That's all right. It's just the first coat. We haven't done anything else on it yet. But yeah, it's going to be a shiny, shiny boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'd love to see it.
But you're going to have to do a lot of flat sanding first.
That sounds like lots of fun.
Oh, it's totally loads of fun. I love it. Don't spend most of my life doing it. But yeah. I mean, just look at the top. Wee.
What, the woods?
It's crotch mahogany on the top, right? And then just regular mahogany on the back.
Nice black limber.
Oh, is it black limber? Yeah. All right then. I'll shut up. Oh yeah, I can see the pickups.
Yeah.
That's black limber. Yeah. Cool. We grain filled it, but I don't think the grain fill has done as good of a job as I would have liked it to have done. Yeah. So that's a small issue. The problem with filling these while it's shiny is it's not going to stick as well. But what we can do is we can use like the little Merlon grey pads.
Oh yeah.
That are kind of like spongy and they get into the gaps. You can fill lots of the deeper ones and then we can sand that flat and then we'll spray it again, which is probably the better way to do it personally. Yeah, when you start doing it, feel free to come and grab me and I'll
Big wooden box covered in
give
shiny
you a hand, I guess, or I'll talk you through how I go about doing it. But yeah, the top basically just needs sanding flat, just
solid black shiny.
and then we'll just spray it again.
Sweet.
Yeah. Cool. So we will go back in and we will fill in the grain.
Cool.
Oh, you looking at my kitty?
Bye. You gotta give me a thumbs up or something. Just film the whole time. Oh yeah, great. I'll do it. Ready?